See.
Hello everyone, I'm Anya, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic to you called the layers of the earth. Have you ever wondered about the layers of the earth? Well, I'm going to talk about them in today's video. This is Earth, where we all live. Let's imagine Earth is a ball and we cut it in half. Let's see how that will be. Wow, there are so many layers under the earth. But how do we know which is which? I'll help you. These are all the layers. I'm going to talk about them right now. The earth is divided into 6 layers, namely the continental crust, the oceanic crust, the upper mantle, the lower mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Let's talk more about these. Here are how the layers look. The crust is the land we all live on. There are 2 types, the oceanic crust and the continental crust, as I've told you before. The oceanic crust is 8 kilometers, and the continental crust is 32 kilometers. The oceanic crust is nothing but the ocean bed. The continental crust is the land we all live on. The mantle, as we all know, is solid. There are 2 types, the upper mantle and the lower mantle, as we talked about before. It includes the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. And after that, we get to the outer core. It is so hot that all the iron and liquid in it has melted. And that's almost the surface of the sun. To be the exact same, we zoom way down to the inner core, which is also solid due to all the pressure around it. The Earth's crust is the outermost surface. It is a very thin layer of solid rock and soil, and is the thinnest layer of the Earth. The continental crust is 5 to 35 kilometers thick, and beneath the land and oceanic crust is 1 to 8 kilometers thick beneath the ocean. The crust of the earth is broken into many pieces called tectonic plates. The movement of these tectonic plates causes earthquakes. The mantle is of 2 types, upper mantle and lower mantle. The mantle is the largest layer of the earth and is about 2,900 kilometers thick. The mantle is made up of super hot solid rocks. It is very hot, and it's 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. At the top end is 4,000 Fahrenheit towards the center of the earth. The core of the earth is like a ball of very hot metal. The core is divided into 2 layers, outer core and inner core. The core is so hot and has so much pressure If you were to go there, you would be squished into something even smaller than a marble. And here comes the outer core. The outer core is liquid metal that contains iron and nickel. It is very hot, about 4,000 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The outer core is 2,250 kilometers thick. And finally, we get to the inner core. The inner core is mixed of iron and nickel, but in solid form due to the extreme heat and pressure. The inner core is the one responsible for generating the magnetic field around Earth. The inner core is 8,000 kilometers thick and is 9,000 Fahrenheit, which is as hot as the sun's surface. Here are some extra facts. The distance to the center of the Earth is 3,963 miles. The deepest hole in the Earth that humans ever dug is about 7.5 miles. It is called the Kola Super Deep Borehole in Russia. The deepest point in the ocean is called the Mariana Trench, which is 7 miles from the Oceanic Crust. Well, that's all for today's video. Bye.